All right, this is our topic 8.6, additional practice problem number 8. It says the area of a circular window is 113.04 square inches. What is the diameter of the window? Now, if I'm trying to find the diameter, I do know that our diameter can be equal to 2 times the radius. So I can either find the diameter or I can find the radius and use that to find the diameter. Now it gives us our area, and our equation for area, or formula for area, is area equals pi r squared. So if I can solve this formula in order to find the radius, I can then plug in the radius to find the diameter. So let's try that. We know the area is 113.04, and that's equal to pi, and the equation tells us to use 3.14 for pi times r squared. So the first thing I can start doing to try and get the radius by itself is divide by 3.14 on this side, divide by 3.14 on this side. If I put that into a calculator, I figure out that 113.04 divided by 3.14 is equal to 36, and that equals the radius squared. In order to get the radius by itself, I need to take the square root of both sides. The square root of 36 is 6, and the square root of r squared is r. So now I figured out what my radius is. So the last thing I need to do is then plug my radius into here in order to figure out what my diameter is. So the diameter is equal to 2 times my radius. My radius is equal to 6. So my diameter is equal to 12, and our units are inches. So it says the area of a circular window is 113.04 square inches, and if that's true, then the diameter of the window is 12 inches.